Once upon a time, in a cozy little farm, lived a friendly little pig named Poor. Poor was not like the other pigs. He was smaller and scruffier, but he had the biggest heart of all. One sunny day, Poor noticed that the other pigs were playing with shiny new toys. Poor didn't have any toys, only a small, old, and worn-out ball. He felt a little sad. Poor decided to make the best of it. He took his old ball and started rolling it down the hill. As he rolled, he started singing a cheerful tune. The other pigs stopped playing and watched Poor with curious eyes. "Why are you singing, Poor?" one of the pigs asked. Poor replied, "I may not have shiny toys, but I have a heart full of joy and a song in my heart." The other pigs felt a little embarrassed. They realized that they had been focusing too much on material things and not enough on the things that truly mattered. They decided to play with Poor, and they had the best time ever. From that day on, Poor was no longer lonely. He had made friends who loved him for who he was. Poor taught everyone that it's not the things you have that matter, but the love and friendship you share. As the sun began to set, Poor lay down to sleep. He smiled, feeling content and grateful for his new friends. He closed his eyes, ready to dream of another day filled with laughter and love. The end.